Dear friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into Natas, a war game from OverTheWire designed to sharpen and improve your web security skills. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Now let's jump in and start hacking our way through Natas. The level I'm going to do will be level 10. And this level involves one important feature of Linux command, Grep. And also as the previous level, I will also use Python to do this level. So I think this video can show you some very useful skills or tips for you. So now we can copy the address of the level 10 to begin with. Now we can head over to Linux, paste into the address bar of the browser, and username is Natas 10, and we can copy its password from notebook. To go on, sign in. Here it's saying for security reasons, we now filter on certain characters. Of course, in the real engagement, we cannot see such help message. We need to find such a filter by our own, okay? And this is a bit time consuming, I must admit, in many occasions. And here we can ask the level line. We can find words containing, for example, like A or Q, it doesn't matter, search. And so all words which contains Q will be returned from the application. And let's go back to view source code. We need to know which kind of characters have been filtered by the application. Here, I think the first line is to define the variable of a key, and at this point is empty. Next, we need to check to see whether request array, this array contains all information submitted by the client or the browser. And if the array or if the request has key needle, and then the value of this key or mapped the value of this key will be set to this variable key, okay? And then need to check whether this key is empty or not. If not, then we'll do the regular expression match. And here the first slash and the slash in the end, this is some kinds of a delimiter. So it means that information between two delimiters, here this case is slash, is regular expression, and the square bracket means here the regular expression is character set. So I think as you can see over here, the semicolon, vertical bar, and also the end will be filtered by application. So for example, if we go back, we can try to run we can try to inject command like ls, okay, and to search. As you can see, we got error input contains an illegal character. And otherwise, the command, the inputted information by user would be keywords to fit to the command grep. And the I option is ignore case or case insensitive. And then this is the file which is located in the server or in the, this is owned by the web application, okay? So how to do this level? And we need to take advantage of one feature of Grep. And so maybe we can launch the main command to have a look at features. As you can see here, the usage for this Grep command, and between square brackets, I think there's some dots. So I think here it simply means we can give multiple files at one time. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, sorry, we can quit from the main, and we can, of course, I've already created two files like test1 and test2. We can search like hello, and test1, test2. So we can got two lines of, the output, and each line contains the word or the keyword specified by us. Okay, so if you specify like a word, of course, as we know, the first file test1 has this word, but the another one doesn't. So now we can press enter again. As you can see here, just one line of output. So here we need to take advantage of this feature, directly retrieve the password for the next level. Okay, so now, of course, if we put something or some characters which doesn't exist on both files or maybe multi-files, and there will be no output. Okay, so now how to do? As you know, the password for the next level is stored in this file. We can copy, and let's go back to the browser, and we can put, for example, like A, and the A is the keyword, and we can search. So this case, the command would be like this one. We can copy and paste over here, just like this. So I just want to make it clearer. Okay, and this one. Okay, so this grep command, and you can this just ignore a case option. We'll try to look for all lines which contain A and from two files. Okay, and this file contains the password for the next level, and this dictionary. Of course, if you put at this moment, we don't know the characters which are in this password. For example, if you put some like the V, I just assume the V, if the V is not in the password, and then the V just would be matching to the second file. Okay, so I think when we use the Python to automate this process, I think if you can realize this point, this would be very helpful. Okay, for example, if you go back, we can put something maybe not existent, like O. I'm not sure O. As you can see, just the dictionary, just some lines which contains O from the file dictionary, not from the this file. Okay. Oh, sorry, the Q. Maybe I forgot to copy this path. Search. Oh, Q is there, so maybe we can find something else like T, U, M. M is not there, right? So we can put like M. I think you have really got my point. Okay. So anyway, now we can successfully retrieve the password for the next level. Next, I'm going to show you how to use Python. Let me close up, and we can, start from scratch to code our Python program. We can right-click the folder what we are working on, and we can use any name, for example, like Natas 10. And we need to import some modules like import requests module, which is third-party module. You need to install it before you can use this module in your own program. Next, I'd like to import the class HTTP basic authentication. This class can help us to handle basic authentication with web application. Next module I'd like to import is regular expression, where I want to extract the interested information by this module. Okay, first of all, I can initialize instance for this class, and we need to pass two arguments. The first one is username, and the second one is its password. We can copy it from notebook. Oh, sorry, I forgot to import the module. This is another built-in module string. I want to, because we don't know the composition of the password, so we need to try to construct the set, the character set, okay? As we know, the password should be consisting of no case, character, uppercase character, and also the digit, okay? So next, I think we can construct the chars string, digits string, lowercase string, uppercase, okay? And because each the string is the module, and the dot operator, the digits will return the string, so we can concatenate all strings, and the chars will be the string, okay, as well. So next we can we can construct the parameters. So parameters, and this should be the dictionary, and we can get it from the for example, we can trigger a new request, and we can copy it from browser. Oh, sorry, what I'm doing, B search, and we can copy. This is some kinds of query string or parameters, and we need to do some processing. We need to convert it to a dictionary. Needle is key, and the B is its value, and the comma, and we need to remove the and. Okay, search. Oh, sorry, here should be the column, and we can indent to make it bigger. Oh, sorry, not bigger, the better. So here, of course, this is because we don't know. I have already explained, we don't know whether B is in the password of the next level. So we need to, use loop. For example, like a for loop to get the right one, okay? So now we can use the for chars, and then we can indent this dictionary, and here we can use the formatted string, the curly brace. We can put this is the whole, and we can put the char, or maybe char, not the char, okay? And here should be the path of the file, which contains the password for the next level. Okay, now I think that's it. Now we can send the request to the application, to the web application. So response requests get, this is get method rather than post. So the URL, we can copy it from browser and paste over here. Next, we need to, of course, positional argument should be put first, and then keyword arguments. Okay, the basic and the parameters, and the parameters as well. You can use any other name. Then we can check if it tag in the response text. Then we can response response. It means that indeed this character is in the password of the next level. So we can also we can, of course, I want to extract the, maybe I can put the B and not what I'm like a B, and we can copy the path search. B is not there. C. Nothing returned. Very weird. What's happening? So the A. Okay, so now if you check its source code, I just want to extract the later part of the line. Okay, and how to do? We can define the regular expression, and you can copy this entire line and go to this website. This is the fantastic website. You can paste over here, and then you can try different regular expression until you can find the one which you can get a matched result. Okay, so now I've already found this regular expression already. Now we can copy and we can set pattern. Then we can use the regular expression module, find all, and the first argument would be the pattern response text. Okay, so this returns, find all returns a list, and in this case just one item in this list, so we can use index of 0. Then we can print something like found password. Okay, and we can use curly braces, and here is result. I think now let's bring up the terminal to run our program. As you can see, I think there is one mistake. If we can find password, we do not need to go on. We need to break out of this loop. Okay, no problem. We can run our program one more time. So I think that's it. So I think I've already completed this level. See you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.